Fine. Good morning to you all, students. Hi, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing well. I hope by God's grace you all are safe. So pray to God daily for your health, your studies, your parents, each and everything. Okay, students. So warm greetings to you all, students. Welcome to our today's online class. Okay. So last week I have completed chapter 5. So what's the title of the chapter, students? Python variables and operators. Okay. So last week I have completed. So today we are going to mark the question answer for this chapter 5. Okay, students. So for that, please all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. Students, please all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. So please sit in a place, take either pen or pencil to mark the question answers in your book. Okay, and also listen carefully what are things I am telling. Then only you can able to mark the question answers very easily. Okay, so please all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand, students. Okay, so in your textbooks, take page number 65. Okay, so in your textbook, take page number 65. Okay, have you all taken page number 65? Okay. Okay. So first we can mark the answer for one word question. Okay. So listen carefully. First question, who developed Python? Okay. Answer is option B. Option B. Guido van Rossum. Option B. Guido van Rossum. Then second question, the Python prompt indicates interpreter is ready to accept the instruction. Option A. This one, option A. 3 greater than symbol. Okay. Then third question answer. So which of the following shortcut is used to create new Python program? Option D. Control plus N. Option D. Control plus N. Okay. Then fourth question answer. Which of the following characters used to give commands in Python program? Option A. Hash. Option A. Hash. This symbol is used to print more than one item on a single line. Option C, comma. Option C, comma. Then which of the following is not a token? Option A, interrupter. Option A, interrupter. Okay, once more I am telling the answer for this page. Listen carefully. First question answer is option B, Guido van Rossum. Second question answer is option A, 3 greater than symbol. So third question answer is option D, control N. Then fourth question answer is option A, hash symbol. Fifth question answer is option C, comma. Sixth question answer is option A, interrupter. Okay, so now take page number 66, next page. Then seventh question answer, which of the following is not a keyword in Python? Okay, option D, operators. Option D, operators. Option D, operators. Which operator is also called a comparative operator? Option B, relational. Option B, relational. Then which of the following is not logical operator? Okay, which of the following is not logical operator? Option D, assignment. Option D, assignment. Then 10th question, which operator is also called conditional operator? Option A, ternary. Option A, ternary. 7th question answer once more. Option D, operators. 8th question answer, option B, relational. 9th question answer, option D, assignment. 10th question answer, option A, ternary. Okay. So have you all marked the question answer for one word question? Have you all marked? Okay. Then 2 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark. First write the page number. Okay. So first question, page number 48. First question, page number 48. Then second question, page number 55. 55. Then third question, page number 56. Third question, page number 56. Okay. So third question, page number 56. 56. Third question, page number 56. 56. Okay. Then fourth question, page number 61. 61. Fourth question, page number 61. Then fifth question, page number 64. Fifth question, page number 64. Okay, so once more I am telling, listen carefully. First question, page number 48. Second question, page number 55. Third question, page number 56. Then fourth question, page number 61. Fifth question, page number 64. Okay. Then 3 more question. First question, page number 56. First question, page number 56. Second question, page number 59. Second question, page number 59. Third question, page number 60. Third question, page number 60. Fourth question, page number 63. Fourth question, page number 63. Fifth question, page number 62. Fifth question, page number 62. Okay, so once more. First question, page number 56. Second question, page number 59. Third question, page number 60. Fourth question, page number 63. Fifth question, page number 62. Okay. Have you all written? Okay. So then write the page number for the detailed question answer. Okay. First question, page number 49 to 52. 49, 50, 50 and 52. Okay. First question, page number 49 to 52. First question, page number 49 to 52. Second question, page number 53 to 55. Second question, page number 53 to 55. Okay. Then third question, page number 55 to 63. Third question, page number 55 to 63. Okay. So one more question you write here. Book inside question. This is also very important. Okay. Explain. Right. Explain Python data types. Explain. Fourth question. Put number 4 and write. Explain Python data types. Okay. Explain Python data types. So there you write page number 63, 64. 63, 64. Okay. So once more I am telling the page number. First question, page number 49 to 52. Second question, page number 53 to 55. Then third question, page number 55 to 63. Then fourth question you have written, explain Python data type. That one 63, 64. Okay students, have you all marked? So have you written the page number, students? Okay. So now you take page number 48. Okay. So page by page we can mark. Okay. Page number 48. So take page number 48. Okay. So page number 48. Listen carefully. So first mark under the heading programming in Python. Okay. From here in Python programs can be written from here to till the source file. Till the source file. This is the first 2-mark question. Okay. First 2-mark question. So in Python programs can be written from here to till the Python source file. Python source file. This is the first 2-mark question. Okay. Have you marked first 2-mark question. Then take page number 49. Next page. Page number 49. Next page. Page number 49. Script mode programming from here. Okay. Page number 49. Script mode programming. So from here to starting from here. This is the first detailed question. Okay. Script mode programming from here to. Okay. First detailed question. From here to till page number 52. Till page number 52. Okay. So till page number 52. Till this diagram. Till the last diagram. Page number 49 starting script mode programming from there to till page number 52 till this last diagram. This is the first detailed question. Okay student, this is the first detailed question. Okay. Then take page number 53, next page. Page number 53, starting from here. Okay, input and output functions. Starting from here, program needs to interact with user. From here to, this is the second detailed question. Second detailed question. Okay, from here to till page number 54. Till page number 54, till this one. Page number 54 till this one. Okay, this is the second detailed question. This is the second detailed question. Okay, students. Okay. Then take page number 55. Next page. Page number 55. Tokens. Starting from here. Okay, this is the. Listen carefully. Here. So first you mark tokens. Python breaks each logical line. From here to till this one. Identifiers or keywords. This is the second 2-mark question. Okay. So Python breaks each logical line. From here to till this identifiers or keywords. Okay, this is the second 2-mark question. Okay, this is a second 2-mark question. Okay, then detailed question, third one. Okay, third one, starting from here. Python token, Python breaks each logical line. Okay, this is the third detailed question, tokens. Starting from here, so ending I will tell. Okay, starting from here. Third detailed question. You mark third detailed question here. Then take page number 56. Next page. Operators. Okay, in computer programming language. From here to till operands. Till operand. This paragraph full. Okay, third 2-mark question. That paragraph full. Third 2-mark question. Third 2-mark question. Define operators. Starting from here in computer programming language, starting from here to till operand. This is the third 2-mark question. Okay, third 2-mark question. Okay, then arithmetic operators. Okay, starting from here. So arithmetic operator heading starting from here. Okay, this is the first 3-mark question. First 3-mark question. 3 mark. First 3 mark. Arithmetic operator from here to till next page, this tabular column, till this number 3. Till that first 3-mark question. Okay, arithmetic operators starting from here. An arithmetic operator from here to till next page, this tabular column 3. This is the first 3-mark question. First 3-mark question. Okay, marked. Okay, then take page number 59. So page number 59. Page number 59, assignment operators. Okay, so starting from here in Python equal to assignment operators. From here to, starting from here to till, so next page till here. Okay, this is the second 3-mark question. This is the second 3-mark question. Okay, so again once more I am telling assignment operators in Python from here to till this tabular column end, x colon equal to 3. Page number 60. This is the second 3-mark question. So you are feeling tough to study all the things means any 5 you write. Okay, so this tabular column is full, they have given. No, you are feeling tough to study means any 5 examples you can write. Okay, have you all marked? This is a second 3-mark question. Okay, then take page number 60. Page number 60, very very important question. Conditional operators. Conditional operator from here. This is a third 3-mark question. Conditional operator. Third 3-mark question. So starting from there to till next page, this example min equal to 70. Okay, min equal to 70. This is the third 3-mark question. Okay, then same page, page number 61. Page number 61. So under the heading literals. So literals is a raw data from here to till Boolean. Till Boolean. Okay, this is the fourth 2-mark question. This is the fourth 2-mark question. And also, so till here only the token question you have marked from there. No, explain in detail token. Yes, that is the third detailed question or also end here. third detail question. Start, already I said no mark from starting token. From there to till this one. Literals. Okay. Have you all marked? Okay. Then page number 62. Next page. Page number 62. String literals. Under the heading string literals. Starting from here. In Python string literal. From here to till this example program output. This is a multi-line string with more on. Okay. This is the fifth 3-mark question. Fifth 3-mark question. Fifth one. Okay. Starting from here. In Python. A string literal is a sequence. From here to till this law. Fifth 3-mark question. Okay. Then page number 63. Next page. Page number 63. Escape sequence. So starting from here. In Python strings the backslash. Okay. Starting from here to till this example. It's raining. So till this example. It's raining. Okay. This is the fourth 3-mark question. Fourth 3-mark question. Okay. So escape sequence starting from here in Python string literal. From here to till this example it's raining. This is the fourth 3-mark question. Fourth 3-mark question. Okay. Then same page. Page number 63. So already I asked you to write one detailed question. Book back. Isn't it? Explain in Python data types. That is the fourth detailed question I asked you to write. So Python data type starting from here. Okay. Page number 63. Starting from here. Page number 63. From here to till page number 64 last. Till page number 64 last. This is the fourth detailed question. Book inside question. Okay. So in the same page one more thing. Okay. So here have you seen an exponent data? Have you seen this pair? An exponent data from here to starting from here to till this example exponent data. This is a fifth 2-mark question. Okay. So an exponent data starting from here to till this exponent data. This is a fifth 2-mark question. Okay students. So this chapter question answers everything you have marked. Okay students. So today's study portion I am telling. Today you study 1-mark question and all 2-mark question. Okay. Okay students. Today's study portion, what's the study portion? 1-mark question as well as all the 5 2-mark questions. Okay. So among that, listen carefully. Question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Question number 2, 3. Otherwise leave it. 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. You should study and write in your notebook. Question number 2, 3 and 4. You should study and write in your notebook. Okay students. So don't waste time. So please keep separate notebook for a computer science. So what are the portions I am telling to write, that you should write. Okay. So question number 2, 3 and 4 you should study and write in a notebook student. So study well, take care. Okay. So next class I'll continue with the new chapter. Okay. Thank you students.